do something a little different today. I was in Walmart earlier and we ran across some watermelon flavored Pop Tarts. Where you going? You're sliding away. And something that just sounds so crazy, I had to try it. And we're gonna try it and let you guys know what we think about it.
And we'll say no if we don't like it. We're gonna say if you don't like it, or if we do.
You got that? Alright, we'll open it up. We'll just open one because there's two in it. Here. So.
Can I open it this time? I can
Open it up.
Here, let me show you.
Show me how you open it. Hold on, you're getting crazy. You're gonna throw them everywhere. Look, open it like.
Okay, I know.
What?
I already did it, lady.
You already did it.
Okay, let me grab it. I want the first one.
So.
Ooh, yum, yum, yum.
We got some frosting. Like a little strawberry looking.
I'm gonna have this other one. Ooh,
Frosting
yum.
on the inside. Same.
Ooh, yum. Oh!
Oh, that smells so weird. It's like, you smell watermelon, but it's got the Pop-Tart smell. Oh. I don't know.
No, don't smell.
You ready?
I don't want.
We'll go at the same time. Here, you want this? Here's this out.
Ew.
You ready? Oh, get up here. I can't see you. All right, ready? On the count of three. One, two, three.
Look. Not good. What?
I don't know. It's weird. Like yeah, I don't know. Like it has like the artificial watermelon flavor, but then you get the pastry taste too. So, let's try it again.
No, I don't want to do it anymore. No, I'm not gonna. No, I don't want no more. Yuck.
I mean, it's okay. I'm not gonna buy another box of them, but I don't know. It's got a real weird aftertaste. Real, ugh. Yeah.
I didn't.
We're gonna go thumbs down on this. We didn't like it. We had another one that was maple bacon flavored, and I couldn't imagine a maple bacon Pop-Tart. So my buddy actually sent me a picture of these and the maple bacon ones. He said the bacon ones were good, but I don't know. May try it. So yeah, may do some more videos like this in the future. We'll come across some crazy stuff. We'll have to try it and let you know what we think. That work? Sound good? Thumbs down. May like it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Subscribe.